How to resize frame from video and then retrieve the final size. I want to read a video file, break it into separate frames, resize each frame to a max width and then retrieve width and height of final image. I've tried this. While true, but I'm getting why does it complain about a line and a mutal slash? How can I do the required?
The read method returns two variables. First is the success variables, which is a boolean, true if a frame is captured else false, and the second is the frame. You're likely reading a video with 3 channel frames and the frame is usually a numpy array, so you can use the shape attribute. I would suggest using cv2.resize for resizing. W and H store the original width and height of your video frame, and im.shape has the resized width and height.
I think the frame variable you are passing is not a numpy array, it is a tuple. Hence the error. Check if the video is being read correctly. Do a print type frame, and check if it is numpy to verify your image is being read correctly. Immutals.resize is a class using cv2.resize function. This is how it works.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.